Today we're making crispy golden air fryer fried shrimp. Super easy and quick. Welcome to Carol's Recipe Adventures, where I share recipes you can enjoy with friends and family. Let's get started. Start by setting up your breading station. In the first bowl, mix 1/2 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. In the second bowl, place 2 eggs, and in the third bowl, add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Mix the flour mixture. Then whisk the eggs. Use 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled, deveined, and tails off. Pat them dry with a paper towel, then season with salt. Dip a shrimp into the flour, then the eggs, and then the panko. Make sure that they are evenly coated and then set them aside onto a plate. And repeat this process till you have completed all the shrimp. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. Place your shrimp in a single layer, leaving space between them. Cook at 390 degrees for about 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. Repeat until you have cooked all of the shrimp. And there you have it, air fryer fried shrimp. Serve it with your favorite dipping sauce and watch them disappear. Give this recipe a try. Until next time, happy cooking.